in the bathroom, this is where it all started. I had a bathroom that I was going to punch through the false ceiling, this house that I renovated, and put a window up there. And when they broke the false ceiling, I realized that the space above continued over this corridor. So there was an opportunity to do something there, put a bathtub there, and my wife would be pleased with that. But how do I get up there? And I spent because the contractor needed an answer. And then I came across your site. I don't remember when. I think I spent like 2 nights voraciously looking for answers. And when I saw that, and then I saw that you had a very useful tool to build it, to select the
configurator. Yeah.
The configurator is fantastic because it answers a lot of questions immediately.
That is feedback that I am very happy to hear, because it's a long process.
So good, and then better than that, then you guys, once someone starts the process like I did, I was very pleased with the fact that there would be a session where we could discuss with one of your designers in detail. And then I used a Miro board, which is like a whiteboard, and I put images, and I would ask questions and sketch what I meant. And it made me buy it, being confident that this was going to work, because the coordination was being handled very professionally.
Yes.
Yeah, I've tested them. I love them. And so as an architect, for me, knowing of solutions like this is very useful, because it's something that I can suggest to clients in order to make use of an otherwise unusable space. And I feel that space is such a value. I mean, when you think about architecture, it's all about space. And it's hard for me to let go of space, to abandon space. Oh, okay, there it is. Okay, I'll share the screen with you. And this is a board with some photos.
Excellent.
So yeah, this is the one in the bathroom. And it's a small space, so I kind of had to make the wider angle. So that's what I was telling you before. This was supposed to have been, get it thicker. Okay. This was supposed to have been the space like that. This was the wall, right? But
all the way up, yeah.
Once we broke this ceiling out, I realized, wait a minute, there's that amount of space there. So I asked the contractor, can you build this slab? And he said, yeah. And I said, well, then I'm going to put my wife's bathtub there. Question is, how the hell do I get up there? And yeah, that's how this came about. This staircase was not complicated to install, and the contractor gave me a hand, and everything was fine. So this is looking from the top. So I ordered from you guys also the extra step here. Because I needed space to land up there. And then there's another natural step, which is the extra wall.
Yeah, no, it was a good idea, because it does, obviously it completes the package rather than having something else stuck out from there that's not really tuned with the rest of the building. But as the product is, it's nice to have that extended top step. That works well. Yeah.
And the other one is the one in this room. So it's this one right behind me. And this was, a short area. I didn't want to block the door. So I created that. This one is always open, mostly open. This one is mostly folded, because we rarely go up there. We go up there sometimes to take care of the plant.
And then you have the toilet there. It must be amazing to own your home and then do some renovation and find a hidden space. Shame there wasn't a treasure chest in there with some artifacts. But
I bought the house, right, and then renovated it. And indeed, I tried to make use of these spaces under the roof that were abandoned.